Hello students, how are you all? Hope all students are doing well. Hope all well in your family. And I also feel that you are following the norms of the government with the social distancing. And probably you are also following all the, whatever the rules that are being laid to you. Stay home, stay safe. Meanwhile, the entire nation is locked down due to COVID-19. Not only hundreds or thousands, lakhs of classrooms are empty these days. And during this corona effect, lot of students are not getting connected with the teachers, lot of institutions are not getting connected with the students. And thanks to the digital media these days, and thanks to the digital apps these days which are getting connected to the students and classrooms, creating virtual classrooms. Similarly, to our Oxford, students' welfare happens to be the prime concern. Due to this, I have planned in such a way that all our students of 2nd PUC will be getting YouTube channel videos which consists of all your languages and even your theory sessions of core subjects, whether it might be computer science, electronics, physics, mathematics, and your chemistry. Pertaining to that of mathematics, we are using the problem solving techniques that will be put on your YouTubes so that students will also be alert about it. And apart from that, we are making a group of students for 2nd year PUC, and we are in fact sending you the PDF documents of all the subjects, including the theoretical notes will be sent, wherein which it consists of n number of pages. Roughly it runs for about 300-400 pages. I want you all to download these particular PDF documents either on the given tab to you or on your desktop PCs so that it is seen little on a bigger screen so that your eyes are not affected. And apart from that, already now during this 21 days lockdown period, we have already been conducting UG and PG classes online in the same way with YouTube channels. There are a lot of apps which are available for connecting students with virtual classrooms. One such we have opted is with YouTube. The reason because personally I have been reluctant from the beginning to use Zoom apps because of the safety of the students. Since the safety is the biggest concern here, we don't want our students' data or anything to be leaked out to any other third person. And at the mid of these sessions, there are a lot of other unwanted sites which gets popped up. And I have personally observed it. In this connection, I really felt this is not a safe app. So that is why we have started recording the video sessions, audio video sessions of the lecturers. And thanks to all the lecturers or my colleagues who have helped me in conducting all these virtual classes. So probably by next week onwards, by another 2 or 3 days, the next week will be there. And from next week onwards, you will be having virtual classes wherein which through YouTube channels, through your WhatsApp group link, we are sending you that particular link so that students can open up that link and have a watch to it. And please do remember that these videos are not on public. This is totally an unlisted document so that only to people who whom we send the list or the link can only see to that. So kindly make the best utilization of these hours and see to that you are utilizing your time and space to the core. And apart from that, whatever the PDF notes that we are sending, kindly see to that instead of taking a printout, maintain it digitally, because all your digital classrooms, whatever we are conducting now, is only a temporary base across the nation, like any other institutions or universities. Reason because hope we all pray God that everything gets calm and so that we are all connected again in the classrooms. But compared to the practical sessions, my dear students, it will be conducted only after you are there here personally in the college. We will be taking personal classes of practicals whenever we are here. Till then, the theory portions, whatever is available and whatever we have been started, now we have a couple of videos already ready, which will be put on your YouTube channels. What all you students have to do is, go to that particular channel, whatever we give you, click on subscribe. After you have watched that particular video, click on the like button, and just below the description you have a comment. Just try to write a comment. So and so, I am so and so student studying in so and so. Studying in so and so, it is up to it is nothing but your students of Oxford. So please try to type, I am so and so of this particular class and this particular section. I have gone through this video, I have understood. Fine. Now, so that we get a conclusion that you have watched that particular YouTube channel. And now, a lot of students would be also thinking, how do this, whatever the doubts or clarifications I have, how do I get clarified? What you better do is, if at all, if your doubts or clarifications to be made is in a smaller segmented or a small questionnaire, see to that you are putting it on WhatsApp group and ask questions to your lecturers, wherein which in that group your lecturers will also be available. In case if your questionnaire is big and if you have personal queries, see to that you are, whatever the problem solving queries are there, write it on a white sheet of paper clearly, take a snap of it, put it on the WhatsApp group. Immediately the problem can be solved by your concerned faculties and sent it to you. We will see to that all your problems, all your clarifications will be solved. Even otherwise, if at all if you feel that you want more clarifications or if you want some more sessions in deep or in depth of that particular classes, don't hesitate to give me a call personally. You all know my number, you all know the principal's number, so you directly give me a call so that that particular classes can be rearranged by the faculties by taking another video session, so that it will be helpful not only to you, even to all other candidates or all other students or all your classmates also, so that the classes go very smoothly. And my dear students, be very well prepared this year. You have ample of time space this time. Get prepared at the earliest. Probably to get prepared after the lockdown is over, you might feel difficult. So do not waste even one single minute now. Your parents are in your home, you are there in your home, so you have lot of time to utilize it in all the ways. Your parents are also there to guide you. So I want everybody to score very well this particular academic year, and hope everything is going on well. See to that you are taking good care of the subjects. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Any clarifications can call up to the admin's number or even directly to my number. Don't hesitate to call us. Thank you one and all the best.